I thought the internship was great. I learned a lot, I met a lot of great people, and I worked on projects that I didn't think I'd be working on.
I came here to learn a lot, get a lot more expertise in the field, in the industry that I'm going to be working in. So I feel like experience would be invaluable for my future, and I definitely gained a lot of that here.
Most of my experience has come through working on multiple projects. For example, I've gotten to work with customers, I've gotten to work on projects that are billable, and I've also worked on projects internally.
They were very much at our level, but just a little bit higher, so that you kind of had to go rely on people who knew more.
I'd say the most valuable thing that they're going to take away is just the real world experience. They've been working with customers, both internal and external, and just kind of communicating with them, seeing how projects are run. They've both been put on multiple projects, so they've had to juggle, kind of, set up their time and work on multiple projects at once. And just kind of all that really isn't in a class.
I've been working on a project for Amy where we take data from two websites, from the sales website and from the project scheduling website, and I'll put them into a table where it shows how many hours and how much money we have a prediction that we're going to make per skill in the future. So hopefully that will lead to more educated decisions when we hire people.
One of the projects we worked on this summer was an EBL customization. I thought it was fun because it was challenging and really rewarding. We did a lot of Linux scripting, which I haven't done much of before and will be really useful for future use.
All right, one project that I really liked and I learned a lot from was the JSP formatter. We got to use lots of different languages.
I'm working on a component called the encrypt and zip component. What it does is it encrypts components that we have previously made for customers so that they can't reverse engineer them. So it provides security for our work that we put in. And it also packages it nicely with other information that has to do with that component so that the customers can then use it. It's given me an opportunity to learn more about Java, Swing applications, anything that has to do with web development through Java.
So the interns actually gave us some much needed horsepower this summer. We had quite a few projects in flight and really needed just some assistance from the interns helping out with some of those. So they were actually able to help out with some of our internal projects. One that comes to mind specifically is helping out with a dashboard for our director of services. But then also they were able to help with some of our customer projects as well, work on documentation and some of the other aspects of those projects.
If you're a hard worker and you want to learn a lot about software engineering and working with customers and actually dealing with what you will be in the industry, I would highly recommend Fishbowl Solutions for that.